Well, it's Bank Holiday Monday, so we're doing a bit of a clean up today, taking away any plants that's past the best, a bit of weeding, although there's not really a lot to do when you buy compost and put it into your beds, but every little bit that we see we're trying to keep on top of. And I've also seen something in one of these beds that I'd not noticed. I'll show you what it is. That bed is where we're growing some beetroot, and some of them have come out a bit strange. They're not the shape that they should be. But there is one in particular which I'm going to take up now that is alright. And that's this one. That is a nice beetroot. That's brilliant. If only the rest of them had come out same. I'll show you the difference between this one that I've just pulled up and a couple of others. I think I might just take them all up at this point. And if we've only got one decent beetroot, it's better than nothing. These have been multi-sown as well. So if I just take that clump out, you can see how they all grow together and push each other apart, just like onions do. But the problem I've got with some of these is that first off, some of them are really small. And then we've got others that are a bit misshapen. I'll probably boil them and see if I can use them anyway. It seems that a lot of them are doing the same, so I think I'm going to take them out. And that's another example. A really tiny one, and then another not bad sized one, but again a bit misshapen. Can't really do anything with that one. I'm sure we're going to get something out of it though. I mean, boiled and peeled, these are probably perfectly good baby beets. And the same with these, nothing like the one that we took out first. Yet they're all the same variety and they're all planted at the same time. As you can see, quite small ones. And the same with these. I don't think at this stage they're going to get any bigger, so they might as well come out. At least we're making room for some autumn plantings by doing that. We have got another one that's a pretty good size, but once again it's a little misshapen. That'll probably make us up a jar of pickled beetroot. You alright? Just taking my beetroot up. Yeah, it's grown right weird. You're seeing these are a bit.
That's right, yeah. Oh, yeah.
They're a bit strange. But first one I took out.
Look, beautiful, beautiful.
Absolutely perfect.
Beautiful.
And yet all the rest of them,
They're just a little bit weird, so you take out the best. It's all going to taste just as nice, isn't it?
it is.
Hello, YouTube.
This is Charlie. She's on the same side as us, and she's going to help herself to a few nice, sweet cherry tomatoes. Take the biggest ones, you don't have to get any little ones. Well, we got quite a few very strange shaped ones, but at least we've got that. So we've definitely got a jar of pickled beetroot, haven't we? Looks like round here we've got a couple of golden raspberries, haven't we, as well? This plant grew very slowly, but it's now picked up, so we'll probably get a little bit of something before end of season. But meanwhile, as Paris Silverskin pickled onions are ready, you can see all the tops have gone over, so they need taking out and we'll get them pickled in a jar. These ones are slightly behind, but they'll not be long before they're ready as well.
Water's discoloured them, so I'm giving them a clean, and this time of year we'll not need the water troughs, so the water can go straight through them. The plants are quite, they're nearly had enough now, so time to clean things up for winter.
And now Ginny's jet washing everything, including paths. Car's also getting a wash. Then we're going to redo all this van, but we're going to clean it all the way around this time. And then that's another job done before end of season. This is another job that I've done this morning. More potatoes. we've grown a few more first early potatoes in 2 litre pots, and they've come on really well. So now's the time to get them transplanted into some bigger containers so we can get a late harvest. And these plants look really well. And now those winds have passed, we can start and move some of these plants back to the front, because as you can see, as it approaches early afternoon, this part is always in shade. But these are coming on really well now. We've got loads and loads of peppers on this plant, and thankfully this year they're not getting lots of rolls in them. So we've got an harvest coming probably mid-autumn, and that's the first set of potato plants that we've done. And we've got 2 or 3 on go. And that's this container celery. That's come on. It's got a bit of white on it. I'm hoping that's not a problem, but we'll leave it a bit longer, see how it gets on. We've also took another harvest of rhubarb. These are about ready too. That's as container onions, and now these tops have gone over, you can see that they've swelled up quite a bit more. So we've got medium-sized onions in a very small container, and we're just waiting for this when these outer skins start to go brown, and we'll be taking them up. So 14 good-sized onions in a very small amount of compost. And that's this other potato plant, and this one has now started to flower. So we've definitely got more potatoes, haven't we? And more strawberries. But there's still some good sized ones that's going to be ready in just a few days. And this plant is doing amazing. That's that basket of fire. Hot chilies. Look how many chilies is growing on there. But the great thing about these plants is, as they grow, they change colour. So we're going to have a really nice mixture of colour. And this one is definitely getting overwintered, because that's as big as that plant grows. So perfect to take indoors. But I'm very pleased with results on this, considering it's been outside since day one. So Jenny's keeping herself busy on Bank Holiday Monday. So a couple of happy neighbours there. I just told them to pick as many tomatoes as they wanted. We also gave them a lettuce as well. We grow quite a lot. You can't eat it all, and I don't want to waste it. So they're very welcome to what they can get. And although that harvest of beetroot wasn't exactly what I was hoping for, that does kind of make up for it. So a Bank Holiday Monday, bit of an harvest, and a big clean up. Jenny's busy cleaning up pots and containers. We're doing some deadheading on flowers, and we're getting ready for us autumn plantings. And if you want to see what we put in these planters, then please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.